Cek, cek, 1, 2, 3 cek. Cek, cek, cek. Aman, aman, audio aman semua cek. Oke. Oke guys, kita lanjut. Salah. Oke, kita lanjut. Setelah kemarin live stream 1 jam gak ada suaranya ya, gak ada yang ngingetin anjay. Hai bang, halo bang, halo halo halo. Halo Wilma, halo Mimi. Aduh, kemarin live stream 1 jam gak ada suaranya, gak ada yang ngingetin. Halo Wilma, dibantu like-nya ya. Thank you, udah mampir. Itu game apa? Game horor, semi horor. Kemarin bukan di sini deh. Kita load game horor, The White Lady. Kemarin kita di sini. Yuk dibantu yuk, like-nya yuk. Game horor ceritanya tentang apa? Bingung juga sih, belum tamat soalnya, belum bisa ceritain. Rosmawati, halo, halo bang, halo halo. Thank you udah mampir, jangan lupa like-nya. Bang boleh like, boleh banget, thank you banget Wilma. Thank you banget.
When the funeral ended, I felt an irresistible urge to play. I loved music. I started playing without thinking about the possible consequences.
Udah ku like, thank you Wilma, thank you. Like doang nih, nggak subscribe. Nggak bercanda, gue nggak maksa. Oke, jadi diceritain kemarin setelah menghadiri pemakaman dia agak stres dan dia bermain musik. Buat yang belum tahu ceritanya tentang apa, gue juga baru tahu sedikit. Jadi ada 2 karakter cewek kembar. Dia bisa dibilang yang satunya meninggal. Yang meninggal itu namanya Ratna. Cuma Julia nutupin kalau Ratna belum meninggal. Tapi si Julia ini memalsukan kematiannya, jadi dikiranya Julia yang mati. Nah di sini dia bermain musik. Yang jelas-jelas si Ratna nggak bisa. Bang aku udah subscribe, thank you Wilma. Ih takutnya, ya cu. Nah ini ketahuan nih. Kalau yang istilahnya yang main piano bukan Ratna tapi Julia. I will have you. Aku akan menguncimu di rumah sakit jiwa. Itu cukup. Oke. Let's go. Dibantu dulu yuk, like-nya yuk.
Her words were as sharp as blades.
Oh,
I tried to tell her that it wasn't me. I showed her the photos I developed that proved my innocence. But she grew even more angry, calling me crazy, and then she began to hit me with everything she had at hand.
Oke, setelah dia bermain musik, dia ketahuan nih kalau dia menutupi kematiannya Ratna. Bang, pakai apa mainnya? Pakai komputer? PC, pakai PC.
They were the fears of a little girl. Despite what had happened, I went walking in the woods early the next morning to meet the lady. The evening before, my father had tried desperately to console me.
Oke.
Talk to me, Julia. You know I love you. I
Oke.
just want to understand what happened. I am happy you are alive.
Nah, ayahnya tahu kalau yang mati tuh bukan Julia, tapi Martha.
Your mother was just
Ayahnya sayang
inside.
banget nih sama si Julia.
She didn't want to hurt you.
Bang, agama apa? Waduh, agama ya. Gua nyembah api gua. Gua nyembah api. Oke, kita cek dulu tasknya. Kita harus apa? Main apaan, Bang? Main Martha is Dead sesuai judulnya. The White Lady. The Spirit of White Lady Life. Oke, energi White Lady itu ada di danau. Neni always told me her story before going to sleep. Neni ini apa ya, ART-nya mungkin. Selalu bercerita tentang itu sebelum tidur. Apakah aku harus tahu kebenarannya? Agama kita, privasi kita, bre. Betul. Apapun agamamu, selagi kamu tidak jahat sama orang lain, kamu tetap orang baik. Tuh. Oke. Take a photo. Oke, kita harus ngambil foto kuburan. Ada di depan kiri. Anjir, hutan, Cok. Ini jembatan. Depan. Kelewat kah? Kiri. Oh, bukan. Yang depan lagi. Oh, ini. Nah, kemarin kita stuck di sini kan? Karena tidak ada tripod. Bantu abang ini like and subscribe. Thank you, Wilma. Yuk bisa yuk, bantu yuk. Oke, kita disuruh foto ini. Semangat bang, thank you Wilma. Kita foto dulu guys. Subject frame terlalu gelap. Semangat bang kontennya, thank you Wilma. Kita pakai film ini. Oke, udah pakai semuanya, out of focus. Nah ini fokus. 1, 2, 3. Please gak ada penampakan. Semangat bang, mau jadi YouTuber besar harus ada usahanya. Betul. Sebenarnya bukan YouTuber besar sih, konten aja udah cukup. Ini apa nih? Kita pencet tas di kuburan, kita main ini. Tarot. Semangat buat kita semua. Yuk yang baru mampir yuk, like-nya yuk, bisa yuk. Like sama subscribe kalau bisa. Thank you yang udah like, thank you juga yang udah subscribe. Kita buka yang atas. Strange. Yang kedua kita buka yang tengah. Ini gue asal ngepick ya, gue nggak tahu apa. Judgment, menilai. Keadilan.
I'm going to enjoy what I deserve, but uncertainty and resistance to change are making my life very difficult.
Oke. Jadi singkatnya dia kan nutupin kematiannya Martha. Dia berusaha jujur, cuma nyokapnya dia yang sebel sama dia itu nggak percaya gitu. Abang sendiri di rumah. Ntar, ada yang ketawa anjir. Oh, burung. Abang sendiri di rumah. Enggak guys, di rumah sih rame. Cuma gue di kamar sendiri. Lumayan sih, ngeri. Kita lihat task. Develop the photo. Checking. Oke, kita balik ke rumah. Main pamali lah bang, cintai produk Indonesia. Mau. Cuma gue hantu Indo tuh takut banget anjir. Gak tahu kenapa. Buat gue tuh hantu-hantu Indonesia paling the best lah, menakutkan. Ini kan hantu luar negeri, gak begitu menyeramkan. Karena kita jarang nemuin kan gitu. Kayak White Lady mungkin kalau di Indonesia kuntilanak lah ya. Cuma tidak seseram itu. Wilma di tengah bang. Apa tuh di tengah? Kita cuci foto dulu guys. Semoga kontennya rame. Thank you Wilma. Amin. Oh ini apa nih?
The yellow filter.
Oh yellow filter.
If it were to snow, it would be perfect. The green filter.
Green filter.
Useful for landscapes.
Oke. Kita cuci foto dulu guys. Suara aman kan? Serius gue nggak tahu nih. Jangan kayak kemarin 1 jam nggak ada suaranya anjir. Coba dong guys, komen guys, aman gak suaranya? Agak ngeri sih gua. Dan males kalau ternyata audionya gak ada. Ini ya fotonya tadi. Kita coba. Oke. Coba guys, komen guys, audionya aman gak? Angkat. Pamit bentar gue bang. Oke Nobi. Thank you. Waduh, mau berak. Ya udah, thank you. Hati-hati di kamar mandi. Jangan lupa tengok ke atas. Ntar ada sesuatu. Oh ada hantu guys lagi jongkok. Ya nggak sih? Apa mata gua nih? Oke, what's next? Tugas kita. Lu kalau main pamali itu gue inget banget. Gue pernah nonton siapa ya? Miao Auk apa Windah? Dia ada scene di atas kamar mandi ada pocong anjir. Hati-hati. Bang, subscribernya berapa? 1.500 kalau nggak salah. Masih dikit. Find the correct. Temukan kuburan yang benar. Balik lagi. Udah. Anjir, gue kira udah siang, masih jam segini. Masih gelap dikit. Map mana map? Lurus, kanan, kiri. Kita balik ke kuburan. Kiri. Ini gak sih? Kesini. Oh, ada sesuatu guys. Please, apa itu?
If I wear this, it should allow me to make contact with her. With this object, she'll have to hear me. I have no doubt.
Oke, kita
There must be a
menemukan
link that connects my world to that of the White Lady. Oh,
alat.
of course. Why didn't I think of it sooner?
What is it?
The dress that I
Yes,
threw in
yes.
the bushes that cursed day. It's been sitting beside the lake for
Let's hit him.
in a
Oke.
world that is both mine and hers.
Oke, kita menemukan kalung untuk berinteraksi dengan White Lady. Semoga subscribernya banyak. Amin. Thank you doanya Wilma. Kita lihat objektif disuruh apa? White Lady. Go to the lake. Kita harus ke danau. Cir jauh coy. Jauh lagi. Lurus terus aja nih. Kiri lurus terus. Gamenya bagus tapi tidak ada navigasi, bingung. Depan kiri. Ya nggak sih? Iya depan kiri. Sampai jembatan. Bang, coba main lain. Main apa? Belum punya banyak game. Kiri. Bener gak sih? Apa gua salah? Main Roblox coba. Belum beli guys. Game Roblox jujur. Gua belum beli Roblox. Karena emang gak punya teman main. Ya ada objek. Kita foto dulu. Ini udah coy. Lupa tadi ada. Bentar, nih kemana nih? Aku temenin main. Belum beli guys, sumpah belum beli. Mau beliin kah? belum beli, sumpah belum beli. Berapa sih Roblox? Gak pernah tahu harga game Roblox. Lurus terus. Roblox berapa? Kiri. Bener. Ada apaan tuh nyala-nyala? Di PlayStation ada hanya download. Wah, nggak punya PS guys, sorry. Cuma punya PC atau komputer. Nggak punya PS. Di Steam pun nggak tahu ya Roblox berapa harganya. Bener kan? Oke, bener. Kita naik kapal.
Without all the necessary elements, there's no point traveling to the island.
Ini apaan? Oh, baju.
Here it is. I hope it works. Now that I have everything I need to communicate with the lady, I can finally go to the island.
Apa nih selanjutnya? The White Lady. Kita ke pulau seberang. Kita naik ini. Maksudnya Play Store. Play Store main pakai HP kah? HP ku kentang guys. Aku tahu Roblox tuh ada yang di komputer, cuma aku nggak tahu harganya berapa. Kita ke pulau seberang. Di Play Store gratis ya Roblox, baru tahu.
This little boat is Nanny's husband's pride and joy. He used to take me fishing in it many years ago. I don't understand why Mother never wanted me and Martha to use it.
Apa anjir ini kemana? Oh itu. Kok nggak bisa maju? Rusak kah? Ngebug kah? Wah, belum selesai kah? Belum, masih jauh ini game. Masih jauh nih game. Oke. Oke. What's next? Kita naik ke batu. Anjir, kenapa suaranya begini? Please. Udah berapa lama live? Baru. Udah berapa lama? Kalau udah berapa lama dari tahun 2000? Kalau nggak salah 2000 dari COVID kayak udah nge-live sih, lupa tahun pastinya. Cuma live-nya nggak sering, jarang-jarang. Jadi penontonnya dikit.
This is the tree the lover was hung from, according to the legend.
Oke, ini adalah pohon yang legendaris. Terus? What's next? Apa selanjutnya? Emot batu anjir. Ke pinggir. Sini kah? Ups. Ada film.
A roll of film. It's the one that I was taking out of the camera just before I discovered Martha's body. It should contain shots from before that moment.
Oke.
Look, one of the shots has captured the moment of Martha's murder. I will then finally have an answer. Was it really Mummy? I will develop it as soon as I can, but now
Game horor kok kayak nggak ada sensasi horornya ya? Karena ini game bagus, game AAA yang jump scare-nya memang sebanyak itu. Jump scare-nya sedikit, lebih dibikin panjang ceritanya daripada jump scare-nya.
To draw her to me.
Bukan tipikal game Indo yang banyak jump scare. Apaan nih? Ada rambut. Oh, kita gunting rambut dulu. Ritual.
A lock of my hair to enter into her world. I will use the tarot cards to communicate with her.
Kita main kartu lagi.
Like I did with Nanny. Once 2 cards have been chosen, it should begin.
Ini untuk berkomunikasi sama White Lady. Ya ampun, lama juga. Apaan tuh?
Camouflage yourself in the woods to approach me.
You cover yourself.
Blend in with the water to make yourself known. You wish
to communicate with me.
through the energy of
Symbols.
You use my
My
pain
pen
to summon.
summon me.
You are
Kamu-
very bold.
Kamu menggunakan rasa sakitku untuk membangkitkanku.
Knowledge that I do not possess.
Knowledge as
For
well.
answers I do not have.
Lu menanyakan sesuatu yang bahkan gue nggak punya jawabannya.
Water like air. A vessel
Like water, like
move and breathe.
gue itu tidak memiliki rasa seperti udara.
Now I need to choose 2 cards.
Ih, burik banget mukanya, iya nih. Oke, kita udah manggil. Kita coba komunikasi. Jadi di game ini si Julia nemuin mayat Martha di danau. Nah, si Julia ini nggak tahu siapa yang ngebunuh si Martha. Jadi dia mencari tahu sendiri. Death, kematian.
Sense that you want to know who did
Eh,
it, but I do not have the answer. You must find it yourself.
Iya, lu nggak punya jawaban.
Never try to enter through the front door if you wish to reach the heart. Your twin sister might
have the
answer you are
answers.
looking for.
Apa yang lu? Oh, kembaran lu
The death we leave
punya jawaban apa yang lu cari, meskipun dia sudah mati.
Everything is indefinite if you look at the essence of
Of
things.
things. Oke, dia nggak punya jawaban tentang kematian the devil. What the fuck? Kayak game detektif ya? Dibilang detektif, iya, tapi bukan yang dari kepolisian, tapi dia penasaran aja, pengen cari tahu kematian kakaknya si Martha. Gue lupa lagi kakaknya apa adenya gitu si Martha. Kembarannya. The moon, bulan. Part of our soul embrace the people will love. Oke.
Then torn away from us when these people disappear. The wound is
The one is deep and cannot heal, dan itu tidak bisa menyembuhkan.
vacillating,
Fate facilities, kematian,
causes fear.
keadilan, tidak adil. But the church is. Tapi gereja adalah tempat yang aman.
And mother to its children.
Itu adalah rumah dan ibu bagi anak-anak. Fate is the light, do not lose.
Finding it again is almost
Fate, tapi gue lupa, pokoknya cahaya, jangan kalah.
sorrow. And
Finding it again, temukan lagi.
I am lost.
Impossible, I lost in. Wah, cepet banget ente ngomong. The Hangman. Oke. The Fool. You will no longer to be able to the light from the darkness.
In
In sorrow, the difference is
subtle.
subtle.
You are
Lu sendirian,
will remain alone.
dan lu harus ingat
Memories
lu sendirian.
are abandoning you.
Ingatan
They are your own.
abounding terbengkalai. Hah? The companions.
Now they take the
Sekarang,
of your happy childhood.
sekarang ambil tempat
They return
bahagiamu semasa kecil, dan itu akan Anjir, ngomongnya cepet banget. Lama banget. Iya nih, lama nih main game ini. Kalau nggak nonton dari awal sih bingung sih. The hike,
Daughter,
the doctor, the house, the mother.
the daughter comes from the mother's house.
Lah,
Then
subtitle
makes
hilang.
herself a home and becomes a
Ngebuk anjing.
This cycle
The cycle is baru muncul. The cycle is broken to under be the not.
find the son.
Temukan anaknya.
Original sin reflects.
Dia adalah original.
The one who gave you the light
Salah satu yang memberikanmu cahaya untuk kembali wants control. Dia mau mengendalikan
by
bit
bit
by bit, sedikit demi sedikit.
your life.
Dia
Have to
mendesai kehidupanmu. Lo harus berhenti. Dua lagi. The Tower. Oke, satu lagi nih, jackpot. You do not have control. Lo nggak punya kontrol pada diri lo. There is a dark figure.
inside you.
Ada sesuatu yang gelap di dalam dirimu. The wounds are feeding. It will do things you do not like. Dia akan melakukan apapun yang tidak kamu sukai.
Your guilt,
Your guilt,
the
the
dark
part of your conscience. Jelek banget bahasa Inggris gua. Nggak begitu paham. Innalillahi. Oh cok, ditarik anjir. The moon. Tiba-tiba di air. Kemana ini anjir? Nggak bisa naik anjir, udah di paling atas. Apa ini cok? Kita dibunuh kah? Apa tuh? Nyala-nyala. Oh, ini apaan, guys? Oh, bukan reflektif. Kita harus nyamperin cahaya itu. Cok. Apa ini, cok? Kunci. Anjir, kaget. Sialan. Tiba-tiba di kamar mandi dapat kunci.
Speaking with the White Lady confused me even more, but at least now I have this key.
Hah. Berbicara dengan White Lady mengejutkanku. Ya, ngelek. Bentar, ngelek. Ah, apalah, Ci. Ngelek, woi lah. Kita dapat kunci apa ini? Oh, ini guys, kita dapat kunci buka kotak.
July 16th. Dear
16 Juli.
I entrust my secrets to this letter. If
Ini
you're
rahasiaku.
reading it, things have
Jika
gone
lu
to
membacanya,
pieces and I'm no longer there with you. First of all, I am
pertama-tama,
deaf and I know
gua tidak
was.
budek
Mother
ya.
scared me when we were little, so I decided not to speak or listen anymore. It
Oke.
worked. In fact, Mother began to love me. They also found a scientific explanation for my
My
deafness.
deafness. Oke.
Neurological damage caused by excessive pressure exerted by the twin during pregnancy progressively led to
Ah.
hearing loss.
Hamil.
And like that, my decision was also transformed into a fault of yours. So I must put it right. Do I have any other secrets?
Apakah gue
Unfortunately, yes.
punya rahasia
but
lain?
I'm
Ya.
too cold for such matters. Now that you know that I can speak, please go to the dark room. I have a hidden recording. Listen to it and you will hear my voice. Farewell, Martha.
Martha.
Why all of this madness, Martha? What else have you been hiding from me? You deprived me of your voice for more than 15 years. I can't wait to hear it now.
Jadi singkatnya itu si apa namanya? Nyokapnya lebih sayang Martha daripada Julia. Nyokapnya mengira si Martha ini budak ya, apa tidak bisa mendengar lah gitu. Dan mencoba mencarikannya obat. Cuma sebenarnya bukan itu obatnya gitu. Ini apa nih?
There is nothing here.
Dan dia menyimpan sebuah rekaman rahasia di sini.
Hi, Julia. I know that this will seem absurd, but this is me and this is my voice.
Oke.
We are equals in this sense, too. Well, it's obvious, really.
I
I've basically
basically-
always spoken and you were my voice. I'm going to meet my fate, so I don't want there to be any more secrets between us.
Oke, gue nggak mau ada rahasia di antara kita. Lalu? Ini kemana nih? Oh, ini bukan cutscene. Waduh, apa nih lagi tidur? Apa ini flashback ke masih hidup ya?
I have to tell you that I'm pregnant, Julia. I'm pregnant
Oh.
with Echo's baby. We had sex and I never had the courage to tell you. I was so afraid of
BTW lu live setiap jam berapa dan kapan, Bang? Nggak nentu ya. Nggak nentu karena gue sebelumnya kan kerja. Ini gue udah mulai kosong, mungkin akan lebih sering sih. Untuk harinya gue belum tahu kapan aja karena belum rame kan. Mungkin kalau udah rame gue bisa nentuin hari gitu. Sekarang random aja, makanya subscribe biar nggak ketinggalan notifikasi. Thank you Nobel. Nobi. Nama lu kecil-kecil banget tulisannya, Nobie.
hurting you. I'm so ashamed. And now, how can I ever bring this child into the world?
Oke, dia
It's
hamil.
starting to show.
Karena pergaulan bebas ya.
Getting undressed
Karena peju-peju liar. Enggak.
much longer
Anjing.
can I hide it? Yesterday, you asked me to go to the lake together early in the morning. You,
You sleep.
the sleepyhead, early. I asked you to switch beds with me, like we used to when we were little girls. I got up at dawn and didn't wake you. I put on one of your dresses.
Oke, dia ke danau dan memakai pakaiannya Julia.
I wrote a card to Mother telling her that it was you who was pregnant, not me, and to come and see at the lake. I left it on the desk in her room.
Oke. Apa ini? Kok semangat lah biar banyak yang nonton. Nah, itu dia. Semangat biar banyak yang nonton. Amin. And come to and see the lake I left on the decks in her room. Apa ini? Oh, surat. Taruh mana? Taruh mana, Ci? Sumpah. Nggak ada petunjuk. Help. Ke kamar nyokapnya kah? Apa ini, Cuk? Nggak ada clue anjir. And to come and see the light I left on. Oh, taruh situ. Ini kamar nyokapnya.
Then I felt the need to talk to you, and I remembered the recorder in the dark room.
Then I left noted. Then I left. Apa nih? Need to talk to you and I remember I record in the dark room. Oke, kita ke dark room. Bang, gue mau nanya, sedih kan? Hah? Maksudnya? Sedih banget nih, belum denger nih. Sedih banget karena belum denger. Ente ngetik apa, Pak? Lalu kita ke dark room. Sensitivity-nya tinggi banget nih. Oh, ini flashback sebelum dia mati ditemukan di danau, guys. Mudah-mudahan sih nggak ada jump scare ya.
I will go to the lake alone and act as you. I will tell her everything you never had the courage to tell her. I will be your voice. I know how much she's made you suffer over the years. Unlike you, I remember all of the harm she has done to you, and it is my fault. Take my place, sister. You will live a better life, and I will be able to rest in peace, knowing that I at least tried to put right what I have done wrong. I will go now. My last memory will be the image of you sleeping peacefully.
Oke, merekam suara ini dan ngasih tahu kita kita kan Martha akan pergi ke danau.
Hi, Julia.
Oke.
I was upset, unbelievably upset. July 16th, that cursed day.
I was upset.
Didn't wake me up.
Tadi apa gua lewat? Bang, jam dibuat jam berapa ya? Waduh, iya juga ya. Kok tidak kepikiran anjir? Jam berapa tuh? Jam dibuat. Ini apa? Oh, ini sekarang POV sih Julia. Space tuh cari. Oh, ini interact with. Bulan ditemukan bulan apa? Iya juga ya. Guys, tanya yang logis-logis aja, guys. Jangan tanyakan hal yang dimana gua belum lahir. Terus apa, Cuk? Oh, ini.
Martha wasn't there, and we were supposed to go to the lake together.
Oke.
Even made her bed, which was unusual.
Martha nggak ada di sana.
Martha woke
Kita
up
harusnya
angry,
ke
despite
danau
saying
bersama.
and asked her to do something.
Oke, terus apa nih? Oh, pakaian.
There was a dress missing from my wardrobe.
Ada baju yang hilang dari lemariku. Udah nikah kah, Bang? Buset, masih jauh. Nikah sama siapa? Sama hantu gua nikah. Enggak, gua belum nikah.
It was late. Martha hadn't woken me up as we had agreed. And I
Oke.
overslept.
Sudah terlambat, Martha harusnya membangunkan gua.
I simply decided to go out and take the photographs by myself without
Oke, gue harusnya keluar. Gue harus keluar ngambil foto tanpa Martha. Udah kan nih, keluar aja kan? Oke, nggak ada yang perlu diambil. Bang, mau tanya. Tapi Naya apa? Naya apa? Naya. Nanya kali. Nah, lu sekarang bingung kan? Nanya apa? Lu nanya gue nanya siapa? Belum nikah tapi udah kayak om-om. Yoi. Belum nikah tapi udah kayak om-om. Emang cita-cita gue itu jadi om-om culture ya.
It was a foggy morning, but it was no longer dawn.
It was for gimana?
A
Oke.
sign of something terrible.
Ada yang suatu nggak beres. Biar dikenal sebagai om-om yang garang.
I had then taken her place, usurping the throne of her affection.
My mother had killed her beloved Martha with her own hands.
I had real reason to be afraid.
Hah? Membunuh Martha. Bang, boleh. Apa tapi? Hah? Boleh apa tuh? Boleh apa? Wilma kayaknya lu ini ya? Ngelem ya? Rizky Rix anjay, bacot lu, main ayo, kita mabar.
One of Daddy's pistols to defend myself.
I search for ones of Daddy pistol. Oke, pistol.
In spite of
What to stop it
everything,
gitu.
that roll of film still needed developing, even if it didn't prove she was guilty. I also wanted to search for proof of Martha's pregnancy.
Oke. Nah, ini baru balik ke dunia nyata. I had forgotten I had a film from other from. Oke, ya, tadi kita dapat film ya dari bajunya Martha. Develop the photo. Kita ke darkroom cuci foto dulu. Ini apa nih? Lagi kah? Ini kan yang lo mau, Rizky. Gue facecam full. Ini kan yang kamu mau.
I
The Fool.
mustn't care about what people think.
Gue selalu ketakutan tentang pikiran orang-orang. Kesana kemari.
Your fear will prevent me from
Aduh.
playing music.
Gok dasar Wilma jomok juga nih. Kamu subscribernya Reza Auditor ya?
It will be very difficult to recover
JMK 48.
from mental collapse.
Udah kan? Buka lagi. Dead, kematian.
Destiny is inevitable. The end waits for us.
The end wait for us. Akhirnya kematian menunggu kita semua.
Faced the troops of the 8th Army. Units of an Indian division crossed the River Pesa on a vast front, and they
Nggak tahu lah.
advanced 2 kilometers south of Monte Lungo. Meanwhile, the New Zealand
I'll leave it in the letterbox. Have a good day.
to La Romana,
Another telegram of condolence.
Another telegram.
where General King
Surat.
was bombed by the artillery.
Anjir JMK 48. Nobi kok kamu tahu Nobi? Kamu suki ya kamu suki ya.
In the eastern sector of the battlefront, the troops of the 2nd New Zealand Division,
It is
British
one-
Air Corps, conquer Tavernelli. The 6th South African Armoured Division advances on the heights near Greve.
Oke, conquering
parts of
peaks
the
the Domini.
Dominion Philly Mountains. The 4th Division reaches San Giovanni.
Waduh, diserang om-om Jerman nih. Attack on Hitler. Udah lah ya, nggak penting orang Indonesia nggak suka baca. Nama aku Nine bang. Bang ini akun mama aku bang. Kamu jangan nonton aku Wilma, nggak boleh. Kamu jangan nonton aku, nanti dimarahin mama. Aku nanti dimarahin Kaseto. Kecuali Bang Nobi nih, Bang Nobi kamu suki kamu. Mana ada cok.
21st of July. Lapo is dead.
Lapo is dead. Oke, pacarnya nih mati. Lapo.
Discovered his body. I thought I had hit rock.
Dia nembak gua.
These are soulless, empty days. After so many awful events, I finally
Finally
married
marriage
the right
that lady.
or
So
something.
I believe
The line between
the line with
reality
reality dreams
becoming
become
less
less
and
less
to
clear
me.
to me.
I thought a lot about her words, but they didn't shed any light on my assumptions. They kept ringing
Okay,
in my
they kept
mind.
me in
Maybe
I
I'll
will be
understand when the time comes.
and comes.
Now I know for certain
There's the
that it
time
was
I'm
my
moving
fault.
Martha.
When she thought that she was me, Only a week ago.
Oke, jadi
Impossible.
dia ingin membuktikan kalau dia bukan yang bunuh Martha tapi nyokapnya. Oke. Wilma, nggak apa-apa. Oke Wilma, kamu lebih baik menonton Bang Windah atau Kak Regi saja. Kok lu tahu JMK dari mana bang?
This is Irene K.
Dah dari internet dong. Internet kan
Received a telegram from Dr. D. Your
dari
request
Dr.
has
D.
been accepted.
Bentar, gue baca
As
dulu.
soon as the police station
Ini di internet kan banyak ya. Muncul gitu di TikTok di beranda-beranda. Gue tahu dari situ. Terus nggak lama muncul videonya Bang Reja ya. Bang Reja auditor yang banyak jomokersnya penontonnya. Jadi gue tahu. Dan sekarang gue jadi membernya Bang Reja. Dimarahin yang penting aku rajin. Rajin apa tuh Wilma? Ini pakai filter bang. Bullshit, nggak ada pakai filter gue. Nggak ada pakai filter anjir. Emang apa? Jernih ya? Facecam 300.000. Salah satu penganut lu ya?
issues authorization,
Enggak, gue nggak nganut JMK gue.
While we wait to avoid the girl taking any extreme action.
Ah kamu tuh di rumah nontonnya JMK terus ya Nobi.
ask that you trust in the advice of her treating physician. I thank you for your generous and charitable donation to our institution. Director S. Volterra Psychiatric Hospital. Telephone 0782. Now that she has discovered everything, she wants to lock me up in an asylum.
Oh,
Even worse,
nyokapnya pengen masukin dia ke rumah sakit jiwa.
I believe it was suicide. She is preparing all the finer details.
Oke. Nyokapnya pengen masukin dia ke rumah sakit jiwa. Kita harus siap-siap nanti nih. Apa nih?
Go to the dark room now, not when she's around. I
Oh,
must
nggak-
be as far away from her as possible. I could go to the cemetery instead to find out whether Martha really was pregnant or not.
Nggak bisa ke dark room sekarang guys, ada nyokapnya. Ini apaan bang? Gila Nobi. Nobi dijaga ya ketikannya. Tolong dijaga ya ketikannya ya. Ada Wilma yang masih underage. Bahaya ini. Bentar. Kita harus ke dark room. Cuma dark room tadi ada nyokapnya. From Lapos message don't be use the number. It's a phone number of combination. Coba kali ya kita telepon rumah sakit jiwa. Gokil filternya. Filter apa coy? Gua nggak pakai filter anjir. Ini murni dari kamera anjir. Oh Wilma underage. Waduh maaf ya. Gak apa-apa. Cukup kita aja yang tahu JMK. Wilma nggak boleh. Bahaya. Tadi nomornya apa ngasih lu? Rumah sakit jiwa 0782. Ini gimana cara makainya nih? 0782. Mana kosong? Bentar gua burik monitor gua anjir. Ganteng banget bang. Gila siap bang. Menghina bang. Saya tahu anda menghina. 3. Anjay monitor gue burik. Gue lihat preview dulu. 7, 8. Song 7 9 2.
Probably the wrong number.
Salah nomor. Udahlah bang jangan bahas mulu jijik gue. Alah kamu jijik menikmatinya kan kamu. Membayangkan Mas Amba kamu ya. Anjir. Cowok bahaya cowok udah cowok. Oh 0782. Bang mau nanya tapi nggak jadi. Apa sih kamu, Wilma? Bang Nobi, tolong carikan streamer ini wanita dong. Gue takutnya dia sukanya sama cowok. Anda ya, Anda diam Anda. Suka cowok. Song 7 8. Nih orang batu nih orang. Anda ya batu ya. 2. Bang mau nanya apa Wilma? Oke. Rumah sakit di sini.
Hello.
Request information.
I requested the admission of Julia Kay to the hospital. I just wanted to know whether it would be possible to cancel the request.
I'm sorry, but the request was issued by the municipality where you reside, madam. Any revocation of the request should be passed by them. Only they can decide whether to approve of the cancellation or not. Have you already received the telegram confirming that we have taken charge of the request?
Wah anjir, apa kalau sudah menerima telegram? Bohongnya lah.
I haven't received any telegram.
Then you must hurry. If you go to the town hall and discuss the issue with them, they can approve the cancellation. Thank you. Goodbye, madam.
Oh ada bang nih. Mam temen gue janda anak 2 mau nggak? Wah bahaya cok. Tapi nanya apa Wilma? Gak tahu. Boleh tuh Bang Nobi, dia kebetulan sukanya sama janda. Nih anak ini kompor cuk, males gue. Bang aku mau cas HP dulu ya. Iya Wilma, thank you udah nonton, thank you udah mampir, hati-hati. Nih Nobi nih, otaknya nih sama Rizky nih ternyata nyambung ya kalian ngobrol ya. Enam 9 3 4. Don't be alarm. Apa sih? Alarm but. Ini telepon number atau combination? Panas bang ya? Panas kalungan kulkas ler, nggak ada yang panas. Ini apa? A storage notes. I found this note. Among mommy things is Martha handwriting, but it doesn't make any sense. The message reads, "Dear mother, this is hard, but I have something to tell you. I have found out that Julia is pregnant." Oh, si Martha nuduh Julia yang hamil. Go to the lake tomorrow morning at 7 and watch her as she bathes. That her tummy is growing. Go to the cemetery. I must check Martha body in the cemetery. Bentar. Kok gua ngeblank ya? Oh, jadi yang hamil tuh Martha. Martha mau bundir. Tapi si Martha ini ngirim surat ke nyokapnya, playing victim kalau yang hamil tuh sebenarnya bukan Martha. Ya kan? I found out the Julia. Ya, Julia yang hamil. Karena si nyokapnya ini berharap Julia yang modar lah, entet. Padahal yang bundir di danau tuh si Martha, bukan Julia. Oke, paham. Paham. What's next? Nggak mungkin nih kalau kita ke bawah dulu. Apa sih nih? Cemetery di mana anjir? I must check Martha body. Martha body itu ada di sana. Apa udah dikubur? Katanya Martha di-kill bang. Iya itu pikirannya sih Julia. Martha di-kill. Karena si Julia sebelah sama nyokapnya. Dan nyokapnya sebelah sama Julia. Tuh. Saling-saling sebelah gitu. Ntar ini gue kemana sih? Cemetery itu di mana? Map. Hold space to. Oh, ada gambar anak di sini. Oh, ini foto-foto yang udah gua ambil. Yang bener yang mana? Kita nggak akan tahu sampai game ini tamat. Dah, itu aja singkatnya. Karena gue juga sebenarnya masih merangkai kan, menjahit ceritanya biar tahu. Lu nanyain Pul, kenapa muka gue bersih? Gue make up dulu tadi sebelum live. Cuaks. Cemetery itu di mana sih? Apa gue yang bego? Apa gimana? Bentar, apa jangan-jangan mayatnya masih di situ? Masih di sini nggak sih mayatnya? Ini apa?
Commune of San Casciano, Province of Florence. Death certificate.
Oh, sertifikat
The
kematian.
register of death certificates of this commune, number 174, part 3. Series 12 of the year 19...
Ah, nggak penting. Sertifikat kematian, belum mati. Bentar nih, gue tersesat nih, gue kehilangan arah nih. Kasih gue clue. Gue nggak bisa ke dark room. Gue harus kemana? Yang bisa bantuin nanti gue kasih moderator deh. Buru. The soul in photo they said. Disuruh apa bang? Apa nih? Banyak sebenernya. Develop foto nih ke film Inres. Kita harus cuci foto. Cuma kan kita nggak bisa nih karena ada nyokapnya di bawah. Telepon, kita bisa telepon ini dulu semua. Ini ada number nih, ada nomor dari Lapo, surat dari Lapo. Cuma nggak tahu ini nomor telepon atau clue combination, entah locker atau apa nih, nggak tahu nih. Tapi nanti kita coba. Nih cari kunci my happy room. Why have they lock? Kenapa mereka mengunci kamar kecilku? Cari kunci di suratnya ini. Dia tidak bilang di mana dia meninggalkan kunci. They had a pink keyring atas pink cincin, pink gelang, atau nah ini nih, gua nggak tahu nih. iPhone, pokoknya tadi di surat yang tadi dijelaskan kan. Kalau yang dituduh hamil tuh si Julia. Go to the cemetery, gua nggak tahu ini di mana. I must check Martha body, the cemetery, gua nggak tahu. They say that, oh ini ya harus develop foto, cuma nggak bisa karena ada nyokapnya di bawah. Tapi terakhir sepeda, find a pump. Apa pump? Goesan. Emang ini nggak ada? Oh pompa cu, bannya kempes kah? Sumpah, no clue banget. Coba kita masuk lewat bawah kali ya. Gimana cara ke bawah? Coba buka map. Nggak ada tulisannya di mapnya masalahnya. Gambar doang, di zoom nggak bisa. Sini nih, hold space to zoom out and see the full map. Kalau mau lihat full map, apa coba di map ada kayak gini nih, ada gambar hutan dan anak kecil. Gak ngerti nih ini apa nih. Ini gue nggak tahu nih, no clue banget nih, useless banget. Di mapnya nggak ada tulisannya masalahnya. Mau gua marking juga nggak ada tulisannya. Mana ya? Coba kita ke kamar maknya kali ya. Cemetery apaan? Lo nanya gue nanya siapa bang? Lo nanya gue nanya siapa? Gue aja nggak tahu. Apa nih? Film.
400 ISO film. It comes into its own shooting clouds and indoors. When it's not too sunny outside, the 200 ISO film works well. 25 ISO film. When the sun is high in the sky, it's perfect.
Oke. Ini apa?
General Edict K.
Ah ya, masih sama yang tadi. Gak ada yang bisa diambil anjir di sini. Apa yang bisa diambil di sini? Apa nih? Car 98. Gak bisa. Coba kita balik ke kamar. Sini ada nggak yang bisa diambil? Nggak ada. Kan tadi ini udah kebuka ya. Nggak bisa dibuka dong. Apa nih?
It's me with the nanny. Or maybe it was
Oke.
Martha. No one can remember. The butterfly collection that Daddy made for me.
Kupu-kupu collection.
I still like to have the books and games from when I was little with me.
Oke, apa lagi?
Here's the whole family together.
Nah, ini foto keluarga.
Indeed.
No clue guys, telepon lah kali ya. Udah nggak ada clue anjir. Tadi nomornya berapa? 6934. 6. What the fuck anjir, kaget gue, siapa tuh? Siapa tuh? Gue kaget anjir. Ya nge-crash gamenya. Bentar guys. Monitor gue cuma satu. Gue ngecek dulu. Siapa tuh tadi tuh? Kaget gue anjir. Wah, bahaya. Siapa nih yang ngirim nih anjir. Rizky, gue tahu ini lo yang ngirim. Bahaya Anda ya. Ngopi baca buku ditemani. Brengsek emang brengsek anak ini, Cok. Udahlah, Cok, jangan kayak gitu anjir. Kacau lu. Kacau sumpah lu kacau sih. Kacau. BTW thank you. Duitnya siapapun ya, seseorang. Bangsat. Saverianya error kah? Se. Wah, gila sekali di donate kata-kata error guys anjing. Kata-kata keramat, tolonglah donate yang bener-bener. Error cu, langsung cu. Wah, bahaya lu Pul. Bahaya anjir. Gimana nih error begini nih? Langsung rusak anjir. Nah, bisa. Kan namanya jadi paling atas ya. Aduh. Lu, wah brengsek emang lu Pul. Gak habis thinking gua. Stop guys. Aku capek guys. Jangan kayak gitu dong guys. Jangan sebut-sebut lagi dong guys. Udah lah ya, kita lanjut. Bang Pante Kim Pul nih. Anjing. Nomornya gue lupa kan. 6934. Wak ketawa lagi emang. Pau cu anak ini cu. 6 9 3
I should try again.
4. Ulang. Langsung ngeblank cu di donate anjing. Di donate-nya bentar nih. Nama di Saverianya siapa nih anjing tar paling atas? 6 9 3 4.
You've called this number.
Damn, Lapo must be dead then.
Rest in peace, fair comrade.
Yes, Lapo.
Lapo is dead.
I am due.
No, don't talk. We don't need
We
to know
need-
who you are. By calling this number, it means Lapo wanted you to complete his work.
Okay.
The telephone cable near the house of German General Erich K. has to be cut. One goes to the house, but there's another cable we suspect is connected to a secret base. That is the one that has to be cut. If you see any German vehicles around, let us know immediately. We won't use this number anymore. It's dangerous. Use a telegraph. That will be safer. I hope you know how to use them. Otherwise, you'll have to
Okay.
come up with something. This is important. Frequency X. Before the message, telegraph town on fire to identify yourself.
Okay.
Long live the homeland. Long live the liberation.
Long live.
Sabotage the
Long
cable
live.
and become a spy?
Heil Hitler.
No, my father is German. It would be like betraying him even though he himself hates this war.
Oh, bukan apa dia
For Lapo,
paham kiri ya.
guys, if I can save someone's life, maybe I should try. Or maybe I can talk to Daddy about it. He may be able to advise me on what to do. Don't even know the first thing about all this. What were you thinking, Lapo?
Apa ya? Help the partisan. Apa? Kita tolong apa nih guys? Gue bingung nih. Tolong kali ya. Langsung aja kita.
To cut the cable, I will need sharp scissors.
Oke.
Regular scissors should be fine.
Nah ini misi baru. Kita telepon lagi yang lain. 6978. 9, 7, 8.
Cabanari headquarters for the officers of San Casciano. How can I help?
Request information.
Hi, I was hoping to hear whether there has been any development on the investigation into the murder of Julia Kay.
Okay.
Please, who's calling?
Act as mother.
I am Irene Kay, Julia Kay's mother.
Mrs. Kay, forgive me. I didn't recognise your voice. Unfortunately, I don't have any real news. We are following up on some suspects. We assume we're with the boy who was killed in the woods outside your house. They seem to be planning something else. But your husband is probably the best person to ask about that.
Coba hang up. Apa hang up? Sama aja anjir. Nomor apa ya tadi? 6938. 6 9 3 8. Pul, PUBG pul. Gas kuy, PUBG kuy. Penutupan.
Yes, hello. This is Donatilia.
Help.
Can you help me, Father? It's Julia Kay. You know what's happened, right?
Okay.
I know everything,
Everything,
Julia.
Julia.
Now
Now calm down.
You can talk to
Wake up
me whenever you
whenever you
want.
want.
Come see me at the church in town.
Temui bokap di gereja. Bener kan? Church. Di mana lagi selain di situ? Ada pintu masuk anjir. Di mana sih church? Haruskah gua keluar? Gimana misalnya dah kelar, Bang? Maksudnya ending game ini. Ending game ini gua belum tahu, cuy, jujur. Gua belum tahu ending game ini. Kalau semisal udah kelar ya ganti game sih. Nggak tahu game apa. Mungkin bisa Pamali yang lu bilang. Cuma kayak gue bakal takut duluan sih. Nggak tahu lah bokapnya di mana. Ini bokapnya. Ini dokter 6593. 6 mana 6? 6 5 9. Kok potret loh? Iya cu, ngejar viewer cu, random. Kalau mode apa sih? Miring. Yang nonton yang udah subscribe doang.
Hello, it's Julia Kay.
Please wait a moment. Doctor, it's that strange girl, Irene's daughter.
Hi, Julia.
Yes, it's me, Doctor. It's Julia. Excuse me for...
Don't worry, Julia. You needn't be ashamed. How are you? Any chest pain?
I'm okay, Doctor. The pain is almost gone. But Mother seems to be getting ill again. I mean, in the head, basically. I saw that she is taking that medicine again. Pervitin, I think.
Irene is very shaken by everything that's happening, but I don't think there is any need to worry. I saw her recently and she's doing well, all things considered. Pervitin was made illegal in Italy a few years ago now, so I wouldn't have prescribed it to her. But they say that it is still used in the army. Maybe they could give you some information at the German command. I must go now, Julia. I will come to see you soon.
Nggak ada informasi apa-apa sebenarnya.
The German command's number, but I'm sure it won't be hard to find amongst father's things. Perhaps in his study.
Wis, gimana Wis? RP Wis, main RP lagi kah? Kita harus menghubungi. Oh ini cok, cemetery anjir lah, dicari-cari. 6537. 6 mana 6? 6 5 3 7.
Who is it?
As a modder.
Hello, it's Irene K.
Yeah? Yeah, what do you want from me?
Kalem apa angry ya? Kalem aja dulu.
Sorry to disturb you. I just wanted to know if I can come over to see you later today or tomorrow.
Of course not. Do not come looking for me anymore. Stop bothering me, you bitch.
Buset.
He must
Lah.
be going crazy. I don't believe for 1 second that Mummy would let him treat her this way. Sheer
Anjir.
madness.
Apa lagi? Terus saya materi apa? Cuk, nggak tahu lah anjing. Satu 1185. Kita telepon Hitler. Satu 8 5. Kita telepon Hitler.
Command of San Vincenzo Artori, identify yourself.
Ah,
I'm the daughter of General Eric K. I'm looking for information on Pervitin.
We cannot give you any kind of information here.
There
Insights.
were drugs in my house, so I took a few pills thinking that they were for headaches. But now I don't feel well. I need help. I'm not sure whether I should go to the doctor, should I?
Please wait a moment, miss. Captain, I've got a woman on the line who says she has taken Pervitin and doesn't feel well.
Anjing, ada obat terlarang di rumahnya.
How many pills did you take?
A few.
2 pills, I think. Or maybe 3?
Any unwanted effects will go away quickly, miss. Just try and stay calm.
Jelas aja. Ya habis siapa lagi? German Commander. Jadi ini kan background ceritanya zaman perang ya. Telepon siapa lagi? Habers der seri 6987. 6 9 8 7. Ini siapa ya? Passwordnya. Halo.
Hello, Maria speaking. How may I help?
Act as a mother.
Hello, Miria. It's Irene K.
What is this, some sort of bad joke? I know Irene very well, and you are definitely not Irene.
Ketahuan. Kita bukan Iren. Ini bokapnya Don Antitilio. Find the telephone, cut the wire. Lokasinya. Telepon Joseph Stalin, Bang. Anjir, siapa itu, Cok? Ke telepon. And report the position of any German military vehicle. Cut the wire, find the telephone pole. Kita coba keluar rumah dulu nih. Ada misi kecil nih. Karena kita tidak bisa ke dark room. Kita keluar. Mapnya di mana tadi? Di depan, Cok. Depan kiri. Bentar. Di bawah lah. Mana ini tiang listrik? Oh iya ini, Cuk. Hah? Terus? Oh gini. Gila bro, terlibat di perang Jerman. Oke. Selanjutnya.
A German tank. I have to
Itu
report
Jerman
its
tank.
location via the telegraph hidden near the cowshed. Daddy probably asked for a garrison after all that has happened. I should report its location via telegraph. This wire heads towards the house and then keeps going, so it must be the right one.
Potong lu guys. Oke. Turun.
Hello, motherfucker.
What the fuck? Siapa lagi itu? Kaget anjir.
Hello, motherfucker.
Papoy, bet kamu selalu nantikan. Brengsek. Anda tidak usah menutup-nutupi. Saya tahu Anda siapa ya. Tolong. Jangan bawa-bawa dia ke sini. Sek. Si anjir. Lu pakai berapa email buat donate ke sini? Sialan. Anjay minions. Nyari penyakit cuy. Ini orang nyari penyakit sumpah. Ini orang nyari penyakit. Anjay minions. Bacot anjir. Gue tahu itu lu. Bangsat. Pantai emang. Udah cuy, jangan kayak gitu dong. Kasihan nih lah ini hambaku. Oke, what's next? Things to do. They ask to come through. Use the telegraph. Papoy, wak bit ganteng pada masanya. Berisik Anda ya, berisik. Pantai emang anak ini, cok. Find the telegraph. Telegraph tuh bentuknya kayak apa sih, Cok? Senang kan lu anjing? Toksik kan gua. Senang kan Anda? Telegraph ke belakang rumah. Oh, berarti kita turun, Cok. Papoy, papoy, palalu, peang, papoy, papoy. Anjir, ini ditutup sengaja banget. Ke belakang. Satunya lagi. Gue tahu ini mau lu klip kan? Mau lu klip, lu share.
I was afraid of animals when I was little. I never approached them alone.
Mau lu
Now
share.
the fence has been destroyed.
Mau lu share kemana sih? Lu klip juga. Mati, Cok, babi.
Looks like it was slaughtered with a knife. Is someone threatening us?
Apa?
Nazi fascists at the stake. What? Who could have done this? What did these poor creatures have to do with anything?
Nazi fascist at the stake. Ngeri. Ini ya.
The generator. It's very important these days.
Hot gue ya bang, ngantuk.
Often.
Yo Nobi, thank you udah mampir. Thank you juga udah bantu-bantu like sama ngeramein. Besok kalau ada duit gue beli pamali deh. Kita nobar pamali.
The box is empty. The telegraph would have been installed nearby.
Telegrafnya di mana? Di ujung kah?
The telegraph must be hidden in one of these feed bins.
Wah anjir, kode lagi malas.
With the code word. I saw the tank on the road, and the road is near the house. I guess I have to communicate something like that.
Select the words you need to create the message. Exiting will reset the current conversation. Apa ini, Cok? Wah. Tulisannya kecil banget lagi anjir. Weapons. It's a telegraph. Remember the code word town on fire. Town on fire. Town Tercu, tulisannya kecil banget. Town apa anjir? Hah? Apa, Cuk? On mana, Cuk? Wah bego gua. Tahunnya ada nih, tahun. Ini located. Follow the dots or
Guys, balik lagi di channel gua.
Wah.
Vlog di sini tentunya.
asu. Anjing. Wah. Dia nge-share video motovlog gua nih udah mulai. Anda mau ngajak saya war ya, brengsek. Brengsek.
Guys, balik lagi di channel gua. Vlog.
Brengsek. Cukup. Anda bangsat ya. Buang-buang uang buat meledek saya. Gua lagi serius juga anjir. Asu. Si tiba-tiba di-share anjing video motovlog gua. Cukup guys, cukup. BTW bentar guys. Kok namanya aneh banget nih di leaderboard nih. Kayak gua harus ngecek deh. Overlay. Kenapa nama yang paling atas itu bangsat? Jangan sampai gue download sendiri, gue tumpuk nih biar gak kelihatan. Aduh. Tai emang nih. Gak habis thinking gue. Tobat nak, udah nak, capek nak. Sunmori anjing. Sialan. Astaga. Capek cok. Dibully online anjing. Kita lanjut lagi gamenya. Anjay, welcome back. Tai. Tahun. Tadi katanya second kolom. Mana sih Town on Fire? Leaderboard mana? Kocak kok hilang. Ada nih di sini nih. Lu cek tuh leaderboard, lu cek. Lu cek tuh leaderboard. Emang anak anjing, Cuk. Mau mengadu domba. Anda mau ngadu domba kan? Saya tahu ya. Anda lihat sendiri tuh leaderboard. Tuh, Anda cek sendiri. Anda bisa lihat namanya siapa? Anjir, siapa tuh yang donate? Pakai nanya. Suki, pakai nanya kamu ya. Anda mau playing victim kan bangsat? Cukup, Cuk, cukup. Saya tidak kuat anjing. Cukuplah di real life saja. Jangan dibawa ke sini ya guys ya. On Fire mana sih? Gue gak nemuin, balik lagi ke game. Anjay, gamon ya. Pala lu gamon. Gamon pala lu gamon. Uhuy, bacot, bacot. Demi apapun, Cok, ini gua nge-stuck anjir. Gua nge-stuck, Cok, demi apapun. Gak ada kata on fire anjir di sini. Exit aja lah. Sampai gak fokus gitu saking senengnya. Bacot si anjing emang. Ngapa balik lagi? Gue udah sejam ya?
I have to start every message with the code word. I saw the tank on the road, and the road is near the house. I guess I have to communicate something like that.
Exiting the telegraph now will reset the current conversation. This will have to be replayed. Are you sure? Please to exit, yes. Emang bikin pria ini jadi trauma percintaan, brengsek. Cok, cukup cok. Capeknya aku cok, tolong cok. Janganlah pancing-pancing anjing, ntar orangnya nonton. Bahaya su. Kelarin satu dulu kali ya. Kita nge-cheat guys. Daripada ngegantung nih misi. Kita nge-cheat, kita nge-cheat.
Alright team, we're transitioning to flat.
Kita nge-cheat. Atau sama Mbak pabrik Kongguan. Anjing siapa lagi, Cuk? Siapa anjing? Gak usah aneh-aneh lu. Gosip anjing. Mbak pabrik Kongguan. Siapa anjing? Wah. Kacau, Cuk. Wah, kacau nih orang nih. Kacau, kacau. Gak usah aneh-aneh lu. Nyebar gosip lu. Sampai nangis-nangis. Hah?
I saw the tank on the road, and the road is near the house. I guess I have to communicate something like that.
Hah? Maksud lu, Bul? Aneh lu aneh. Gak tahu ya. Gua gak tahu maksud lu, gua gak tahu. Town on fire.
Over at the end to make it clear that I have finished.
Cuk, goblok sebut nama anjing, kan bisa ya gak usah sebut nama. Ini sosial media ya. Orang yang nonton bahaya. Ini orang malah giliran ketemu gak ngobrol tentang apapun. Giliran kayak gini anjing emang. Malah bocor-bocor cuk, bahaya anjing. Finansial maksudnya, anjing, gak usah sarkas-sarkas ya, bangsat.
I'll add over at the end to make it clear that I have finished.
Apa ini cuk? Town on fire. Apa ini? Kok gue bingung? Town on fire. Oh tadi ada tank. Tank. Di dekat rumah ya. Near. Near dekat rumah. Apalagi ya. Bahasa Inggris gua busuk cok. Near house. House rumah. House over. Near house. Salah cuk. House. Over mana over? Over. Sen.
No, this doesn't seem clear to me. I need to find the right words.
Town on fire. Tank near house over. Apa sih cok? Kok nggak bisa? Hah? Apa ya? Gue bingung. Gue nggak pernah main Telegram soalnya. Oh, nggak bisa. Pencet yang lain nggak bisa.
No, this doesn't seem clear to me. I need to find the right words.
Town on fire tank. Nggak tahu lah ya. The tank is rot. Apa tadi? Wow. Tadi kok ada clue ngilang. Over mana over tadi? Over. Bodoh cu anjing.
No, this doesn't seem clear to me. I need to find the right words.
The tank is on the road. The tank is on the road. Near house. The tank, mana the tank? Di sini tulisannya ngaco, cuk. Nggak kelihatan anjir, grafikku busuk. End stream aja kali ya, udah sejam juga. Sambil gua mikir-mikir lagi, udahlah nggak tahu lah. Yes. Nah gantung, tapi gua males nyari taunya. Soalnya di clue-nya cuma Town on fire is telegraph. And remember the code word Town on fire. Doang. Nggak ada clue lagi. Ya udahlah guys. Thank you buat yang udah nonton, thank you juga buat yang udah like, dan buat yang donate, Anda kurang ajar, Anda jahanam ya Anda. Saya tahu arah Anda kemana ya. Thank you semuanya, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye. Fuck you yang donate, fuck you, gua tahu. Sek. Aduh. Ada anjir. Mana tadi? Bye.